We will talk about Toshiba VFD OC1 overcurrent during acceleration. This is the error which comes into the Toshiba VFD, and error code show OC1, OC1P, and failure code could be 001 or 0025. So normally it occurs during the acceleration time when VFD start. What is the acceleration time? Acceleration time is when we give the command for start to the VFD, and it starts. So that time this error could occur, can occur. So it could be there are the acceleration and de-acceleration time into the VFD. So we need to check acceleration time could be too short, okay, and this is the reason normally, and sometimes it could be the motor is with very small impedance, or it could be that ground fault is stripped. There is the possibility of the ground fault trip. So need to increase the acceleration time. Check the V by F parameter. Use F301 to restart, F0032 to coast stop. Coast stop is it immediate stop, and adjust the carrier frequency at F300, and set the carrier frequency control section parameter F316123. Okay. So normally this error occurs when acceleration time is very short. Normally it happens, but these others also could be the factors. So you just need to check that time if we have very short time, and it depends on your application also. If suppose that motor is on is big size, so for that acceleration time is required more. And if motor size is very short, so it could be like a small size, so it could be a short time also, it will not happen. But normally it happens when acceleration time is very short on the big size motor or big size VFD. So normally just check your acceleration time inside of the VFD, and increase it if it is very small. So depends on the size, and it's increase slowly, and hope so with this increasing it could be resolved. And if you want to buy complete training, so you can download the manual from. If still your problem is not resolved, so you can write a mail to us, which is given here. And if you want to purchase new VFD, then also you can write here. And if you want to have one complete PDF for the training of VFD, with that you can learn each and everything about the VFD, and it will be very helpful. And you can understand what is the VFD, how it work, how to resolve the problem of this VFD. With that PDF you can get each and everything, and you can resolve your all the problems, or you can write mail.